established.
Hi Soumya. Hi Joshi. Yesterday I watched the Jawan movie.
Oh really? Was it nice?
Yes, it's nice. Yes, my favorite actor Shah Rukh Khan is in it. Especially Chaleya, Yaar Mera Chaleya.
Oh, that's good. But can I see you something?
Yes?
It's not D, it's actually the.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
We have different kinds of pronunciations. British, Indian, American. It's the.
No, Joshi, I'm saying you. It's the.
It's the.
It's the.
Let's clarify with English now.
Sure.
What's happening over here?
Ma'am, you say me. Is it the or the?
What are you talking about? Are you talking about Diwali Diyas?
No, ma'am. We are talking about the pronunciation of article the.
Oh, then let me clarify. When the next word starts with a vowel, then it is pronounced as the. For example, the apple, the orange, the owl. And when the next word starts with a consonant, then it is pronounced as the. For example, the car, the parrot, etc. And sometimes when we use something unique, it is pronounced as the. For example, the emperor, the king. Now, let me ask you some questions. Is it the bag or the bag?
The bag.
Okay. Is it the owl, the owl?
The owl.
Yes.
I told you, Joshi. It's the.
But you don't know the reason behind it, no?
Yeah, I suppose so.
It's enough, both of you. It is not at all important knowing the answer, but you have to know the reason and fact behind it. Thank you.